when a person really loves you, they are not going to put no restraints on your life. I've never seen real love put restraints on a person. Even when you go back to think of the history of mankind, God placed Adam and Eve in a place and told them, just do whatever you want to do. Just don't do this. One rule. It wasn't keeping them from doing anything, but a lot of times we'll be in relationships. We'll have family members who will put their insecurities on us. They don't want you to do this because it makes them feel a certain type of way. That's their sin, not your sin. If I'm doing something that makes me feel liberated, but it makes you feel incarcerated, then that's your problem, not my problem. But that's what we're dealing with, fam. And we have to grow up to be able to let these people go. Once you notice it, once you notice that someone, no matter what position, mom, father, dad, cousin, whatever, once you see that they have an evil eye, or they want to hold you down, or they want to disturb your peace, cut them off. Cut them off. Eventually, either they'll wake up and realize what they're doing, and they'll come back around. Or if they don't come back around, you just feed them from a long-handled spoon. You know, you ain't got to deal with them on a personal level. Hey, how you doing? I love you. Hey. And keep it moving. And I learned that from being incarcerated, fam. I was there over a decade. And I can count on two hands who kept it, like, who came to see me, wrote me, all that. But I can tell you a lot of people who was like, who told my mom, hey, tell him I said what's up. Hey, tell him we think about him. Hey, we pulled what out for him. Hey, tell him, hey. So that's what I do. I got a handful of people that got my loyalty. Everybody else I just speak to, it really doesn't matter. And all those who did keep it real with me, they pretty much passed away now, fam, so I only got a few. So loyalty means something to me, but I will not come into nobody's life if I love them, trying to control them, trying to manipulate them, telling them what they should do. If you don't do this, then I don't love you. If you do that, what is that? You know what I mean? We grown, fam. We grown, fam. And if you got insecurities, or if you got guidelines for a person to do in order for you to love them, then I don't really think you love them. You know what I mean? I think that's some bullshit, you know what I mean, in my personal opinion. But that's what we're dealing with, fam. And when you see that, move around, man. Don't hesitate. I know it's going to hurt because it's going to come from somebody that you really love. You know what I mean? You like, man, I really love them. Why would they treat me like this? It says, it was written that it'll happen. You know that your family going to forsake you, but there's going to be a brother that's closer than a friend. Remember that too. Hold on.